Social media is full of programming tutorials ranging from 4 minutes to 24 hours. And this creates a lot of confusion for the beginners because after all they are getting stuck in this tutorial hell. And majority of these online training programs teach you the skills but with the intent of cracking interviews. Now on the face of it, that looks really attractive, but that's another trap. And the reason being is that everyone now has these set of skills like full stack development and DSA on their resume. But majority of them are not getting interview calls. And if you look from the company's point of view, there are now hundreds and thousands of people applying for the same set of jobs, and all of them have similar set of skills. So now how will these companies are going to select you, the one who is the most genuine coder, and not someone who will just fake it for the purpose of cracking the interview? So what companies need is people who are genuine coders, who have passion for solving problems, who desire to write quality code, and understand that this code is going to be read by multiple people in the team. So what you need to do is pick up a problem that you really want to solve and start building the solution step by step, and make sure that solution is usable, is sellable. People would love to use your product. That should be your focus. That should be your intent behind learning these skills. And this is the reason why I'm building Torqbit, to guide you to build real software products, contribute to the open source, and use this contribution to attract clients for your startup or for your freelancing business, or maybe even for attracting employers who are working on a similar set of problems. The courses have been designed for those people who think beyond interviews, who think that it is extremely crucial to building quality software to sustain in any job or any business. And to give an example how our courses are structured, we explain the concept and then implement it immediately, which is part of the bigger solution. And here is a video clip from the course. CSS animations bring life to your website and make the design look attractive. In this lesson, we'll learn how to use animations to create a compelling call to action button and gradient moving background, and also a nice blur transition effect to pop the design of the about section. Let's start from the basics. Animation is defined by keyframes, which allows us to specify the state of the object at specific time intervals, which in this case shows the x-coordinates of the circle at each interval defined by the percentage of the animation duration. So currently we are offering the first course that we are building free of cost for the purpose of preview. So do sign up today.